Time for a special COVID segment, The Good, the Bad and the Ugly. Here's a report.
Here is the good news of the day when it comes to the vaccination drive in the country. The focus now is going to shift for vaccination to rural India, which has by far in the second phase of vaccination that started on the 1st of March, received just about 13% of the total vaccinations. The Prime Minister said that we must stop the infection from spreading to 2-tier and 3-tier cities and eventually rural India. There is reluctance to take the vaccine and also there is a lot of hesitancy in rural India, and hence the state governments need to have a targeted approach in rural India vis-a-vis vaccine delivery. Primary healthcare centers will now be strengthened. The effort is going to be to get the people to the primary healthcare centers for the vaccination drive and also to organize camps, cohorts, to get more and more people to get this shot against COVID-19. The bad news of the day is from the state of Maharashtra. For 2 days in a row now, the state is reporting more than 26,000 cases of this infection. Mumbai alone has reported more than 3,000 cases on Friday. There is a lot of concern when it comes to the testing in the state of Maharashtra. Questions have been raised about also vaccine utilization, given the fact that the centre says that of the 54 lakh doses given to Maharashtra, only 23 lakh doses have been utilized. Uddhav Thackeray, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, has said that lockdown is certainly an option that the state government will look at if required.
This is the ugly side to COVID-19. In a first of its case, after the DGCA had issued a notice that passengers not wearing a mask will be treated as unruly. Alliance Air, state-owned airlines, has apprehended 4 passengers who refused to wear a mask on board a flight from Jammu to Delhi. Sources in the flight tell us that passengers were told by the flight attendants to repeatedly wear their masks and keep them on. Upon not complying, the staff then handed over these 4 passengers to the security agencies upon landing. They have not just put their lives at risk, but also of those passengers who were seated besides them. And these are the guidelines that have been put forward by the DGCA to curtail the spread of COVID-19.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.